Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 3 how to change or update your profile photo on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock and then click on Launchpad, search for the application called GRIDS, enter. And now we need to go to our profile, click on the profile photo circle on top. And now we can click on this arrow where it says edit profile, change the profile photo. Click on this. Grids.app would like to access your photos. Okay, and then go to the desktop itself. Now we have this logo, click on this. Done. And now you can see we have changed the profile photo on Instagram using the application called GRIDS. Refresh. If we need to change this back to what we had before, the same process, click on this arrow, edit profile, remove the profile, change the profile photo, go to my desktop, Instagram tools, there is the photo, done. We have reverted this back to the previous photo. Refresh. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.